forgive me, I'm not saying this to belittle our system and our organization, but tayong nag-aaral mga kapatid, somewhere somehow, makapag-contribute tayo mga kapatid. No? So, maitama natin yung isang bagay na parang mahalaga. Hindi mo nabigyan ng masyadong have the candidate and his spouses seated on the front row of the audience until this time. At each couple's name is called, the couple is standing close to sit on the platform. It is well for them to be escorted by the seasoned ministerial couple of their choice. We're not doing this, mga kapatid. I guess, parang kasarap din na yung nag-mentor sa'yo, walking, by your side, parang masarap yung feelings, mga kapatid. Okay? And as the couple is done, their family members of churches, they have served might also stand and remain standing until the couple is seated on the platform. I have four kids, mga kapatid. Parang kasi yung ordination ko sa BNB Oro, mga kapatid, no? Ang pag-general conference kasi sa dami ng business.
Dapat hindi ito ginagawa?
Wala. Pag-ordination talaga, let's make it special. But point is, sabi ko nga, nag-aral tayo para makapag-conference.
Okay na, i-YouTube naman ito eh.
Kasi bakit naman na magiging